Welcome to the Science of Dogs, where we explore the evolution, genetics, and the profound language of the canine-human bond. Dogs possess a unique ability to read human gestures, outperforming even chimpanzees. Studies show that a puppy's ability to follow human pointing cues is hardwired into its biology, not learned. Domestication began 15,000 to 36,000 years ago when the least reactive wolves scavenged near human settlements. This shift led to the survival of the friendliest, not just the fittest. Domestication reshaped canine anatomy. Dogs have reduced total brain volume and a smaller amygdala, lowering reactive aggression. Their neocortex expanded to support social cognition, while neural crest changes gave them floppy ears and softer jaws. Empathy is a heritable trait. Genetic mapping shows that 43% of a dog's ability to follow pointing gestures and its attention to a human face are biologically inherited. The drive to cooperate is written in their DNA. Golden retrievers, engineered for empathy, show specific genetic mutations. They possess a Roma1 gene linked to trainability and an oxytocin receptor mutation enhancing natural oxytocin production, making them intuitive therapy dogs. The human-dog bond relies on the oxytocin loop. A mutual 3-minute gaze can trigger a 300% spike in the bonding hormone, reducing cortisol and creating profound attachment in both species. Dogs read our minds through a left gaze bias, focusing on the right side of our faces to gauge emotion. Like humans, their brains process word meaning and vocal emotions separately, favoring gestures over verbal commands. Nature spent 30,000 years teaching dogs to understand us. The challenge for humans is to learn their subtle, nonverbal signals to prevent anxiety and conflict, and truly speak in dog. Recognizing anxiety is key. Signs include licking lips, yawning when not tired, avoiding eye contact, or an intense stare. Body posture cues include a stiff body, raised hackles, or a tucked tail. The neuroscience of control involves the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala. To calm an anxious dog, we must engage the logic center, the prefrontal cortex, through top-down control to turn off the amygdala's fight-or-flight response. The leaky toddler method is one way to engage the seeking system. Activate their sense of smell, toss food away from the dog, and reward curiosity. This biologically shifts attention away from the threat and promotes calm. To relieve spatial pressure, avoid direct eye contact or facing the dog head-on, which is perceived as a threat. Instead, keep the dog in your peripheral vision and turn your body sideways to appear non-confrontational. The biosocial blueprint for a strong bond involves 3 parts: evolutionary design, chemical bonding, and active communication. Success depends on respecting canine neurology, reading their signals, and managing spatial pressure. Dogs are an evolutionary marvel, uniquely sculpted by nature to understand us. A dog's intelligence thrives on gentle guidance. It is our responsibility to understand them in return, forging a true partnership.